Bill Goudy checking in. Oh man, is it hot? I got 91 degrees in the shade at around 6 o'clock at night. I earned it. I have. Man, an ice cold vessel. Well, a lot of things have been going on, I'm telling you. I'll put a little insert in here. I did ribs on Friday. I did chicken on Saturday, chicken on a rotisserie. Oh, is that so good? I did my catfish last night, bluegills and catfish. Should we go find some fish, Lucy Lou? Let's go find them. Where are they at? Look at that, Lucy. That's what we come for. That's a nice one. I was going to go fishing today, but we've had showers off and on, off and on. Yeah, you know, and I'll tell you what, it looked really good. A little overcast this morning. I was going to go out, and I was getting ready to go. Big old rain came. So I got sidetracked on something else. Well, tonight I'm going to do a roast. You guys all see me do a roast in the Dutch oven. This is my canopy. I bought it, I don't know, when I went to, see, was it last year? Yeah, it was last year when I was going to Dayton, Ohio. And I was yeah, I was at Dayton, Ohio, and I went to Walmart and I bought the canopy. Yeah, and that's the one that the wind, I had a little wind damage on this side over here. Yeah, that still works, but yeah, right there. Right there, yeah. It works. It keeps me dry anyway, particularly with conditions like this. Sun's out now, but who knows? Another popcorn shower. Oh yeah, look at that. That is looking good.
Saturday afternoon at 1 o'clock at Stoke Stadium. Kansas City Chiefs wrapped up their preseason with a 33-21 victory over the Green Bay.
Boneless arm roast, $2.99 a pound. I couldn't beat it. Oh, just a cheap cut, but I'm telling you, it'll be tender when out of this Dutch oven. We're going to brown that. Going to sear it and brown it on both sides. So I'm going to flip it here. Then I'm going to add some beef broth, some onion, and some garlic, and some mushrooms. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Can you see the texture? Can you see the brownness? It's a dark, dark brown. Not quite black. That's what I want. You're gonna hear me say it. Look at that pre-goodness. I'm gonna put the lid on. I'm gonna let that cook. Thank you, Cat Maid. Oh, here it is. The kickstand. I'm telling you. That's their Dutch oven, and it's just awesome. You guys you want any of their stuff, I'll put a link down below. Put Goudy 20 in, I get 20% off. Let's check it. I think it's about time. Look at that goodness. About 45 minutes to an hour before I'm going to call this done. And I'm going to add the zucchini, the bell peppers right out of the garden, some button mushrooms, and I got some pepper and garlic powder on these. Oh, look at the goodness. I get this at Trader Joe's. It's organic rice cauliflower. It's time to add it. In place of potatoes, I like to use zucchini. And look at the goodness, will you? Oh, that'll melt down. I'll put the lid back on and let that cook for about, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour, and it'll be ready. I don't know if you can see that, but it's done. Let's eat, shall we? Look at the moisture that comes out of that. I'm telling you. Thank you. Can you see that? Deep in the Wood 73 gave me that knife. I've been trying to put it to good use. Look at the tenderness of that roast. Oh, look at that. Big old chunk of meat. Instead of potato, I'm putting zucchini. Look at that, will you? Oh, peppers. Right out of the garden. These are sweet peppers. These are not hot peppers. Well, they're temperature hot, but they're not food hot. Look at that. Oh, look at that mushroom. Oh, that looks so good. Can you see that? Let's dig into that, shall we? Oh, look at that. Look. Oh. You know. Mm. Oh, man. You know that smoky flavor. That tenderness. Oh, it is so good. Oh, that is well worth the wait. Let's try that zucchini. Yeah, instead of potatoes, I'm having zucchini in here. Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Hot. Mmm. Mmm. Where's my priorities? I didn't bring any priority down. I need to do that. But before I go get that priority, I'm going to try some mushroom just in case. Look at that. Mmm. Mm-mm-mm. That is so good. Mm. I'm telling you, it was well worth the wait. Campmade just makes an awesome product. It's really good, and I like it. It works so good for me. Now I got to go get my priorities. I'll be right back. Now we're talking. I'm telling you, a quality vessel of amber fluid. Yeah, I want to thank Bush Beer. I really do. A glass bottle of Bush Beer. I'm fortunate to be able to get them in my area. I understand that I didn't realize it. I didn't realize how hard it was to find glass bottles of Bush Beer. That's good. I want to thank you for watching. It's been busy. Been busy around here, and I appreciate you putting up with me. Thank you so much. Bill Goudy out.